If you want to stop seeing suggestions for recommended accounts on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn that off in just a few steps. This is a simple way to reduce unnecessary email notifications and keep your inbox a little cleaner. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the additional menu options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account preferences, privacy settings, and notification options. Next, click on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, choose Preferences. This section contains the notification settings that let you customize what X sends you. Now click on Email Notifications. Here you'll see different email alert options for your account. Find the option that says Suggestions for Recommended Accounts and toggle it off. Once you switch that off, X will stop sending you those recommendation emails. And that's it. You've now blocked suggestions for recommended accounts in X or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix.